I didn't bring my umbrella.
Well, how about if you introduce yourself to all of our friends here?
My name is Russell.
Oh.
And I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. And who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shriek boy. Speak boy.
Hi there. Hi there. My name is Dog.
What? You can talk? I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh, yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Dora's here. Look out! Wow! Let's give her up applause, Montrese, on both sides. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you too, Miles. Yes, you guys were so great. And you were too, buddy. You know, I don't have any insects, but I do have another crate. Let's see if you want one more. Ready? Here we go. Oh, you know, that's exactly what it might look like if they were to catch one of those flying insects in the forest of Africa. These birds truly are amazing flyers.